Hello everyone, Verivice here, and today we have a special guest, the one and only Jade Knight.
Rick Advice, I'm so happy to be here. And more than that, I'm so excited that this is our second collaboration that we've done together, and I hope we get to do many more. So the first one we did was a while ago, and I think it was our Lego minifigure display. That one was a long time ago. I think that video is on the channel.
Today we are going to show you a collaboration project that we did with 3D printed Lego figures.
Yeah, they're really. I thought they were going to be like little minifigures, but I mean, they're not huge, but yeah, they're a little different than what I thought they were going to be. I guess we decided that we were going to print 4 white minifigures, and then we were going to take our Sharpies and decorate them. And we did 4 of them because we each did like a tester, like a
one experimental figure.
Yeah, and then we get to like draw all over that and see what everything was going to look like, and then we made our finished results.
Now we are going to show you our figures, starting off with the experiment figures, and I'm going to show mine first. So here is my experimental figure, and here originally I was gonna have the face be the YouTube logo, and it was gonna have a white triangle, and I have the red hands and I was gonna have red hands, but this was all I got. And then I realized that I ended up not wanting to do because I didn't think it was because it needed eyes and a mount on, and so I ended up not using what I experimented here.
Okay, mine's kind of wild and crazy. Mine has lots of colors because I wanted to see how the colors would work on them, and then I had to check out how the face was going to be. Obviously, you're not going to have a face on the body, but I wanted to see how the face would be. And then I wanted to see if I could make like hair, hair, kind of squiggly hair, and how you could put colors on top of other colors. So my experimental figure has kind of wild. Yeah.
Now we are going to show you our finished minifigures. So, starting off with mine, I have my Super Saiyan figure, and he has these black boots and red pants with the hip with a blue hip, and then it has an S on in the center of the torso to represent the name of Sam, and it's got red hands and blue arms, and then the face I ended up going for a helmet design where there's only blue around in certain parts and the top, and then I put yellow in where I didn't put blue, and these are glasses and the mouth, and I think it turned out to be very cool,
Nice.
And so yeah, so there's mine.
Okay. And I discovered some things about Lego minifigures when I was doing mine. I discovered that most of the figures have yellow heads, right?
Yeah, most.
Yeah. Some of them have pink, some of them have brown, but I think even Lego picked yellow so that it was not ethnic, so that there was just a yellow head. So yellow head and yellow hands, that's kind of what I figured. And then when I was looking at the minifigures, I discovered that they don't have noses drawn on them. So it doesn't look like there's any nose. So I gave mine eyebrows, eyes, and a mouth. And then, I don't know, I just tried to do hair. I don't know if it looks like hair or not. I like my shirt. It's got big flowery buttons going down the front. Lots of colors.
Here are the experimental figures, and our next to our real figures.
I think this was an excellent collaboration. I think we worked really well together. We shared our markers. Yeah, I had fun.
Yeah. I think this ended up being This is definitely one of the best collaborations that we've done here on this channel. So I'm
And you got to use your 3D printer,
yeah
which was really nice. That was one of your challenges from your dad
yeah
to
yeah
use your 3D printer. So this was good. We got to do
yeah
that.
and
Yep, meet that challenge. And then I think everyone has to look forward to our next
yeah.
collaboration with.
And this has been a J Knight and Brave Vice collaboration. If you want to check out the last collaboration I did with J Knight, check it out right here. So check it out right here. And we will see you next time. Bye bye.